In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create YouTube video using InVideo for beginners. We'll walk through the exact process from signing up to downloading your finished video so you can upload it to your YouTube channel with confidence. First, open your browser and head to invideo.io. Create a free account so you can access the tools. Once you're in, you'll see a prompt box where you can describe the video you want. Type a clear, simple idea like how to train your dog, complete beginner's guide, basic. Treat this like your creative brief. The clearer your prompt, the more accurate the generated video will be. If you have a specific angle, mention it in the prompt, but keep it straightforward to avoid confusing the generator. Next, select the 3.0 model, which is available on the free version. This option balances quality and speed, making it great for beginners. When you're ready, click Generate. The platform will start creating your video based on your prompt. Give it a moment to compile everything. You'll then be asked to choose the duration, the audience, and the platform. Duration controls how long your final video will be. Shorter videos are punchier and ideal for quick tutorials, while longer ones allow more detail. Audience helps InVideo tailor the tone and pacing. For example, a beginner audience will trigger simpler explanations and more guidance. Platform ensures your video is formatted correctly for where it will be shared. Since you're aiming for YouTube, make sure it's set accordingly so the aspect ratio and structure are optimized for that platform. Click Continue to confirm your choices. InVideo will analyze and finalize the video. This part can take up to 10 minutes depending on your selections and internet speed. While you wait, avoid refreshing the page or closing the tabs so the process completes smoothly. When the generation is done, download your video file to a folder you can easily find later. This gives you a ready-to-use video you can keep, back up, and share. When you're ready, upload that file to your YouTube channel. Because you already selected YouTube as the platform earlier, the format should be good to go, minimizing any extra prep work on your end. That's the entire beginner-friendly workflow using InVideo. Sign up, write a clear prompt, choose the 3.0 model, generate, set duration, audience, and platform, continue, wait for analysis, then download and upload to YouTube later. Follow these steps and you'll have a polished video ready to share with your audience.